Leary. Did your twin, your magic fire twin, husband of the matriarch, and there was some birds of the grocery store man in Junction City that was angel hot pink, made by Slipknot. That hot pink was for Ashley. Would dance with this guy. They made him dance like Slipknot. And then they vomited in Ashley's mouth to wake her up from sleep with her eyeballs and her taste buds and her ears all in, hooked up together. Like a daddy wolf or a mommy or daddy bird regurgitating. Bleh. Because Ashley's a baby bird and a puppy. And has ugly bird syndrome. Bangs her fucking ugly face into the fucking glass until her pretty face comes back. And this is the prettiest man she's ever seen in her life. Physical. She was befuddled, stupid, with fucking love notes and not death threats and don't die, don't go in the water, this stuff, that stuff, slip all this. To a perfect stranger with an angel whore trident for the red whore. Angel, pink, normal teenage girl. They painted it on the street. This guy vomited in Ashley's mouth. Then we had bridezilla jealousy people. They didn't go after the grocery store man.